Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Harendra Sharma. I have more than 8 years of experience in industries. I am going to start a new series named Complete Data Engineer from Scratch. I hope you all will follow my series on becoming a data engineer. This series is for freshers as well as professionals. In this series, I will cover all the topics related to data engineering only. So guys, please listen carefully. Before starting the series, we need to know some basic questions related to data engineer. This will help you to understand more about being a data engineer. So guys, without wasting time, let's know what are the questions and what are the answers for these questions. First question is, what is a data engineer? So guys, this is a common question whose answer is important for every data engineer. So guys, in simple language, data engineers work with data. They build a system that collect the data, manage the data, and convert the data into useful information that has been used for business purpose. Data scientist, business analyst, etc. all are depends on data engineer. I hope you all understood this. Let's go for next question. Next question is, why data engineer? So friends, data engineering is important because data engineer play a big role in industries. They refine the raw data that will be used for business. As you already know that data scientist, business analyst, ML, AI engineers, etc. all are dependent on data engineer and data are present everywhere. So the scope and the opportunity to become a data engineer is huge. That's why it is more important. Our next question is, what does a data engineer do? So friend, data engineers collect the data from different sources, clean the data, transform or convert the data as per business requirement. Technically, they build a system or pipeline known as data pipeline that transfer the data from source system to target database. The next question is, how to become a data engineer? To be very honest, becoming a data engineer can be hard, but once you have nailed the key skills and landed your first job, you will find plenty of freedom to develop your dream role. So, for development of your data engineer skills, just go through with all the videos of this series. I will help you to develop the data engineering skill easily through this series. Once you develop the skills practically, you will get the job easily and you will become a data engineer. The next question is, how long does it take to become a data engineer? So friend, most of the data engineers get entry level jobs after completing their bachelor's degree. So it will take around 4 to 5 years, but it is also possible to become a data engineer if you have developed only data engineer skills. It completely depends on you which method you adopt to learn the skill. If you use this series and spend 1 hour a day, it will take about 2 to 3 months to develop the skills, including the lab. After that, you will get a job and you become a data engineer. The next question is, what skills are necessary to become a data engineer? To become a data engineer, you will have to know a programming language. Python is good for this. In this series, I will teach you Python. Apart from this, you need to know the query language like SQL. A database knowledge is mandatory, like Oracle and Snowflake. You can use any other database beside this. You can use Git or Bitbucket to manage and store the code, but not compulsory. To schedule a job, you need to know an orchestration tool or job scheduler too. I have taken Airflow and AutoSys as examples here. You need to know some basic commands of Unix or Linux. This will help you to create shell script. And last but not compulsory, but good to have knowledge about cloud. You can take any of these: AWS, Azure, and GCP. So, guys, I hope you must have understood what skills are required to become a data engineer. The next question is, what is the data pipeline, when, where, and what skills will be used? So, to know the answer, we will go through an architecture diagram. You can see here we have a multiple data sources in left sides. We have a some flat files, or maybe we have a database, website, some software tools, or any other data sources. We need to create a connection using Python to pull data from the source. Here we will use Python to pull the data from the source. Once data is pulled from the source, it is known as a data collection or data ingestion. After that, we will do cleaning, such as we will delete or change some irrelevant data. After that, we will make some changes as per business requirement, like we will add, delete, or convert or add two or more words or columns into one. This is known as a data transformation. If necessary, we will use some filtering rules that will prevent us from storing irrelevant data. We will use Python for all these tasks. This all is known as a data preparation. We will then use SQL or PySQL to insert or load data into the target database, that is known as a data storage. Once the data is loaded into the target database, the business will use that data for various purposes, just like a data scientist or ML AI engineer used to find something to enhance the business. Business analyst will use to take some decision related to the business, and the industry's management will use to prepare some reports and take decision based on that. So data is traveling from source system to target database, and from target database to business layer. This is known as data pipeline. Basically, data pipeline is a path for traversing the data from source to target. I hope you all have understood this. If you like my video, then please like, subscribe, and share my video with all your friends who are interested in data engineer. Thank you.